The SEAT Ateca Infotainment System reboot loop involves the system continuously restarting, making navigation and audio features unusable. This stems from software instability within the modular infotainment matrix, commonly MIB or MIB2 systems. A firmware bug causes the watchdog timer to trigger erroneous restarts, which may be worsened by corrupted data, electrical glitches, or less commonly hardware issues. To start addressing the issue, try a hard reset. Turn off the ignition, remove the key, or press Start-Stop. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then hold the infotainment power button or volume knob for 10 seconds while restarting the vehicle. This clears temporary memory glitches and can resolve software-induced loops around 50% of the time. If a hard reset doesn't work, ensure your Ateca has received the latest software update from SEAT, as these updates often contain stability patches. This is the most important step. If basic fixes like hard reset and software updates don't resolve the reboot loop, proceed to advanced troubleshooting. Try a factory reset through the infotainment menu. Go to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. This erases user data, so back up contacts and music first. If the factory reset fails, advanced diagnostics using VW's Otis software are needed. This dealer tool scans for error codes like U1100. For persistent issues, consult a SEAT dealer to avoid warranty complications. They can perform hardware checks or replacements. To prevent future reboot loops, avoid interrupting updates, keep the system cool by parking in shade, and maintain battery health above 12 volts. Regular servicing helps detect problems early, like electrical faults or overheating. By 2030, software and AI integration should resolve 90% of reboot loop issues through proactive fixes.